Mr. President, check out my new board. Freddy, that's tremendous. Can you do a kickflip? A kickflip? Time to shred! Here we go! Nailed!
Hey Freddy, what's with the skateboard?
None of your business, Jackson.
Come on, show me a trick.
I don't do tricks for you.
Just one, please? Fine. Watch this.
Thank you very much. What's with the board? Just keeping it real. Want to ride? Maybe later. Let's see some moves. You got it. Welcome to my nightmare, Skywalker.
Freddy, what are you doing on the Death Star?
Came to shred some dreams. This board's my ticket.
This is ridiculous. What?
Time to shred! Well, if it isn't the Tin Man, Freddy Krueger, threat level moderate. Let's roll. Nice board. Fancy escape? Your nightmare's about to begin. Right, give peace a chance.